Update coming in now that the opposition will be supporting the Constitution Amendment Bill to ensure states to prepare OBC list. So the opposition has decided that they will agree to business with regards to the changes to the OBC bill that will be brought in by the government today. The opposition will be agreeing on that front with the government. Is this an indication that finally we're going to be seeing some sort of middle ground on which the centre and the opposition will work together? That remains to be seen. But what we're hearing is that the opposition has decided to back the government on one matter of business, and that will perhaps help in breaking the logjam that we've been seeing in Parliament. Anand Patel is joining us with more details on this. One matter of business, Anand, that the opposition seems to be in line with the government over.
Well, yes, it's the opposition politics very clear that on the OBC reservation issue, they will support the government. It's a clear message to the centre that the entire opposition will be supporting it when the bill is tabled in Lok Sabha, which is listed for being tabled, not discussion and passage so far what we've been told by the Lok Sabha Secretariat, but it's just to be tabled. So remains to be seen as to whether the Treasury benches will take up it for discussion or not. But certainly the opposition has made it very clear that on the issue of OBC reservation, it will support the constitutional amendment which the government intends to bring, and this is to nullify the May verdict of the Supreme Court against the Maratha reservation brought in by the Maharashtra government, which increased the reservation cap beyond 50%. So this amendment will ensure that the states will have the right to include other castes into the OBC quota. So certainly the OBC politics has driven the opposition towards the centre, and the opposition of parties don't want to let go this opportunity to be seen as sympathizing with the cause of the OBCs in the country.
So there's going to be one issue that the opposition is in agreement with, but right now, as we speak, you're seeing that the Lok Sabha again has been adjourned because of disruption. So at this point, the protests, the pandemonium continues till 11:30. The House has been adjourned. So let's hope after that there is some business. And let's explain to you exactly why the monsoon session has been seeing this deadlock between the opposition and the centre. What's the opposition demanding, or what's the government having to say about that? Well, the opposition is saying that there must be a detailed discussion on the Pegasus Snoopgate issue. The government has made it very clear that this is a matter that's sub judice. It's being heard by the Supreme Court, and hence they are ready for a debate after that and on other issues as well. The opposition is demanding that the 3 farm laws over which protests are still happening be rolled back. The government is saying we are ready to discuss issues with the farm unions, but a rollback is not something that we're even going to consider. Another issue that the opposition has been raising is the rising fuel prices. They've been demanding answers from the government. The government's defense has been, in fact, world markets prices are rising, and also they've blamed the UPA fuel bonds. So they're saying that it's not our fault that prices are continuing to rise. The opposition wants a detailed discussion on COVID mismanagement, vaccine shortage. They're saying we need answers in the floor of the House. The government has said there's no question of a vaccine shortage, and that the COVID debate is priority, not Pegasus. So they've agreed to a COVID debate, but the opposition is saying Pegasus first, and then we'll have a debate on coronavirus. So that's where the stalemate continues right now.